In this video, we'll derive the relation between beta gamma functions. The relation between beta gamma functions is given by beta of mn, m comma n is equal to gamma m, gamma n divided by gamma of m plus n. So we have to derive this relation. So here we'll prove it from RHS to the LHS. We know that the gamma of n is defined by 2 times 0 to infinity e raised to minus x square x raised to 2n minus 1 dx. So here I need the value of gamma m also. So let me take gamma m is equal to 2 times 0 to infinity. Take some another variable. Here I'll take y square y raised to 2m minus 1 dy. Taking the product of gamma m and gamma n, so it is 2 times 0 to infinity e raised to minus x square x raised to 2n minus 1 dx. That's multiplied with 2 times 0 to infinity e raised to minus y square y raised to 2m minus 1 dy. Combining these two, it's 4 0 to infinity e raised to minus x square. So here we can write e raised to minus y square x raised to 2n minus 1 y raised to 2m minus 1 dx dy. So adding the powers of e, it's 0 to infinity e raised to minus of x square plus y square x raised to 2n minus 1 y raised to 2m minus 1 dx dy. We'll evaluate this by converting into the polar coordinates. The polar coordinates are given by x is equal to r cos theta, y is equal to r sin theta, and the value of dx dy is equal to r dr d theta. The given Cartesian limits are 0 to infinity, x is from 0 to infinity, y is from 0 to infinity. So that x values are from 0 to infinity. In the coordinate axis, x ranges from 0 to infinity. It means that it is the x-axis. And the values of y are ranging from 0 to infinity. It means that it is y-axis. So the region of integration is between the positive values of x is from 0 to infinity, y is from 0 to infinity. So this is the whole of the first quadrant is the region of integration. In this region of integration, the value of the radius vector r varies from 0 to infinity. So the lowest limit for the r will be 0. The upper limit for the whole of the first quadrant, it is infinity. And theta in the first quadrant, it varies from 0 to pi by 2. So therefore, gamma of m into gamma of n is 4 times 0 to infinity 0 to pi by 2 e raised to minus x square plus y square is r square, and x raised to, the x value is r cos theta raised to 2n minus 1, and r sin theta raised to 2m minus 1 dy dx is r dr d theta. So combining the powers of r, it is 4 0 to infinity 0 to pi by 2 e raised to minus r square, r raised to, here it is 2n minus 1, and the power of r here will be 2m minus 1 plus r, it is 1, and cos theta raised to 2n minus 1 theta, sin theta raised to 2m minus 1 theta, it is d theta dr. So separating 2 0 to pi by, this is 0 to infinity, taking the variables of r and its limits, it is r is 2, we'll take 2 common, we can write this as m plus n minus 1 minus 1 plus 1 will be a minus 1 into dr into 2 times of 0 to pi by 2. It is sin raised to 2m minus 1 theta and cos raised to 2n minus 1 theta d theta. So if you see that first term, it is the definition of the gamma function in terms of r, the variable r, and here the integer is m plus n. So this is nothing but gamma of m plus n. And the second term is nothing but the definition of the beta of m comma n. So this we can write it as beta of m comma n. So therefore we proved that gamma of n, m into gamma n is gamma of m plus n into beta of mn. So therefore the beta of mn is equal to, it is gamma m gamma n divided by gamma of m plus n. So this is the relation which connects the beta gamma functions. Thank you for watching.